How to change pickup location in Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy, and in today's video we will simply learn how we can change our pickup location in the Uber app. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our pickup location, maybe after you have ordered a ride, it's actually very simple. If you request an Uber to a wrong location, you can change it easily. Once you notice that the pickup place is wrong, you have to just follow the simple steps which I described in this video. Now first you have to find your original pickup location and then look for an edit button, and then you have to tap the edit button and a dialog box will appear. Search for a new location and then choose it, or hold the pin and drag it inside the radius of the gray circle, and you can move your new location outside of this circle. So there is a certain criteria and a certain specific area to this as well as to how much you can change it. It's just not too much. Confirm your new pickup point and the driver will actually change the route, and if it will ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to update your trip, so just tap on the OK button. Now there are also some of the things that you can keep in mind. You can only change the pickup point just once during the ride, so make sure that you know the exact place this time, as you can't change your mind again. When you change the pickup location, your driver will get a notification on the ride sharing app that says pickup location updated. The driver's GPS will update the route and provide them with the fastest way to a new address. And that's all it takes to change your pickup location in Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.